In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip Warp Portal in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you tips on how to properly unlock and equip Warp Portal. So, Warp Portal has a very weird unlock method. So, to get Warp Portal, you will have to defeat Namu. So, Namu is a boss that spawns randomly, either on public or private servers. Keep in mind that you can unlock Warp Portal by doing this entirely through private servers. If you are hosting a private server, Namu will spawn in 30 minutes. So after you open the private server, wait 30 minutes and he is going to appear. Now, if you defeat Namu, you will earn pity or the Warp Portal. So basically, it is going to be a dice roll. You have a very low chance of obtaining Warp Portal after defeating Namu, and if you don't win Namu, you will get pity instead. Eventually, after defeating Namu a bunch of times, you will get lucky and you will win the dice roll. When you win the dice roll, he is going to be unlocked and you just have to go over to your character list and you will be able to find and select Warp Portal. So essentially, to answer the question in the title of this video, to equip Warp Portal, you have to unlock him by defeating Namu, and after you defeat Namu and you get lucky, you will be able to find him under your characters. So, to get Namu to spawn, you can wait 30 minutes in a private server and kill him alone, or you can join a public server and try to do it there. If you do it on a public server, you will have to compete against other people to see who does the most amount of damage, so there will be a leaderboard. If you are first place, it will give you 3 pity if you don't win the Warp Portal. If you are second, you will get 2 pity, and if you are third, you will get 1% pity. Eventually, after a bunch of pity is acquired, which increases your chances, or after you get Warp Portal, you will be able to equip him. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip Warp Portal in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.